My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying, they take me away. My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying.
What's cracking, YouTube? It's me, your host Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead. Once again, bringing another sneaker pickup / sneaker review. Before we get started, I need you to do me a favor: like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram on the description below, and it'll be right there, right next to me. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. All right. Happy Kobe Day. It is February the 8th, 2024. So as you can see, February is the second month, which is Gianna's, rest in peace, Kobe's daughter. Her jersey number, the day is 8th. Kobe's first number, see right there, number 8, 2024. The second half of that part, 24, was Kobe's secondary number. So it is Kobe Day. They are revealing Kobe Bryant's statue at the Staples Center, or the Crypt. I think it's called the Crypt Arena, downtown Los Angeles right now. I live in California. I am not going down there for the festivities. I know it's going to be dumb crowded, like crazy crowded. I'm not doing all that like that. But happy Kobe Day, like I said, everybody. Real quick, this is gonna be real quick because I actually already have a review for this shoe up already. It was a grade school pair though. I didn't have the men's pair, so I had a grade school pair. I'll leave that. So I mean, we already know what the shoe is. So that's the Kobe Bryant shoe. It's gonna be up there right now. If you want to go click on that link and go check out the review for this. This is the Kobe, what is it? The Kobe 8? Yeah, Kobe 8 Protros, the core purple colorway. Not gonna do a full review on this. Like I said, it's already up. You can see this. This is the men's pair, a size 9. Bro, I don't know. I did this. I want to do this video because I've been getting some haters. There's two in particular, and I'm gonna put that comment somewhere up. They probably be up right now, right next to me, something like that. I'm gonna put them both up there. I'm talking about, hey, that's a fake shoe and stuff like that. The GR shoe I did. Come on, bro. This straight from Foot Locker. You know, I don't do reviews on fake shoes. It's like, oh, just no. I don't even want to give attention to nobody's. But it is what it is. It is what it is. I'm not worrying about it. So this is I just want to show you that I did get my personal pair. Size 9. The review I did was a grade school because I wanted to get an early review of that, but they didn't have that men's pairs in yet, so I had to do a grade school pair. So I also picked up some merch. I'm not going to take this hoodie out the bag. This is a Kobe Bryant. It's a large. These do run small. I like this though. It set the date 2/8/2024 on the bottom of it. I'm going to leave a video right next to me. It's probably going to be playing right now so you can see actual, because there's something on the back of this too, but I don't want to take out the plastic. You see it's in the plastic. I'm going to keep this as fresh as possible, but it is $70 right there. It's a nice hoodie. Black with Kobe. And we have, it did also come with a t-shirt. I can show you this because this did not come in the plastic. So this is the front. And this is the back with his number 24. As you can look at the bottom of his number, right, you see the Kobe logo and the Nike logo. And in the middle of that is the date 02/08/24. You can see that right there. So did get some merch. Got some merch. Show you this again right there. I feel like they could have done a little bit better with this. They could have gave us a little bit more. But it is what it is. I mean, like I said, I'm just happy that I got this. So that's pretty much it, class. Where we at with the video? What time was it?
3 minutes and 40 seconds.
A quick little video. We probably go. I'm gonna end it around like the 5-minute mark. We'll probably not even make it to the 5-minute mark. So again, I got my personal pair. Let me know in the comments below if you was able to get your core purple, the emerald, or I think that was emerald. I forgot what color it is. It's like a teal color, a green color. They dropped on the sneaker app this morning. I did not hit. I was not able to get it. So if you have a size 9 in that, let me know. I do want to get both pair. But I'm sure they're going to be on OfferUp or, you know, one of these little Facebook sneaker sites. They're going to be up. You're going to be able to buy it. So, and it should not go for that much. So I am going to try to get that secondary pair. I was hoping that came to retail stores. It didn't. I think only this came to retail stores and the other one only came to sneakers app, but like that. So once again, Kobe 8 Protros, core purple, I like it. I like it. I do like it. The men's pair. I do like it. So that's pretty much it. Like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram on the description below. Click the notification bell so every time you post new content, you'll be notified. Go check out the review I have on this, the actual early review. Like I said, I put the link earlier in the video, so click on that link or just like go through my videos. It's like video 3 from here, whatever like that. So go check that out. So as always, for me, your host Toon, aka your favorite sneakerhead, representing Toon's Kicks. The whole Toon squad, you know what to do. Turn my hat around. Shout out to my brother Batman for buying me this Lakers hat too. You know what to do, man. It's Kobe Day, baby. Have a nice day.